my homies and homettes. It's been a long time, but yeah, the whole current situation in the world's been kind of kicking my butt, so I haven't had much time to do any videos. But today we're gonna go do the first event in a very long time, which is kind of sad to say, to be honest, because we now live in a world where like going to an event once a month is like, yes. But we're gonna do roll racing tonight. I'm gonna be riding shotgun with my buddy Dave from the World Time Attack GTR. Hopefully we get some good runs in. We're trying to get there a little bit early so that way we actually do get a bunch of runs. Sorry if it's a little dark. Hopefully we get to start doing more and put all this kind of doom and gloom behind us, but it is what it is at this stage. But yeah, I'll see you guys at the track, and hopefully we have a little bit more light. I've got a couple of updates with my GTR. We'll run through that, and then we'll do some roll racing. And we are here. It is packed for the first one. It's been like first one in ages, and it is packed, man. Here's Camaro. Just gonna go get my little wristband right quick so that I can be a passenger. Look at that sheepy race Lambo right there. Yeah, buddy. That is a gorgeous color. It's a baby GTR. Let go. Everybody that likes the straight cut gears, this will be a perfect example of how loud they are just cruising. Because this is a street car, right? Huh? I said because this is a street car, right? So like I was saying on the way in, I feel like a fucking idiot talking through my helmet actually. Like I was saying on the way in, I got a bunch of updates that I'm doing to the car. I just started building a drop tank for the car, which I'll show you guys when we get back. It's basically a cardboard template, but you know Dennis, yeah?
Dennis, yeah.
Yeah, he's gonna be my go-to man on this, on the drop tank.
Mr. Resi.
Mr. Resi.
Shit.
Mr. Resi. Mr. Lightning McQueen himself.
Pulling out the big guns now.
Yeah. So I'm pretty excited. The drop tank is probably, I'd say with the one mod even more so than the 3.2 that I've been wanting to do really bad. So I'm really excited to get this one going. But we'll show you that when I get back. Tonight, it's time to race. All right, here we go. Put it in the comments right now. We're racing a GC8 Subaru WRX. Doesn't look like an STI. Who do you think's gonna win, the GC8 or the 32? I think we got a chance. Don't you disappoint me, Dave. Neck minute, Mrs. Third. first kill win. I like it. I like it.
He's in front of me as well.
So this is turn 1. That's not bad for a first kill. And he even jumped you a little bit. There you go, right there. Yeah, we did the first race, Subaru, and I don't think he lined back up, but he got chopped hard. Jumped us, and good old RB just trained him, just freight trained him. What power are you on again?
Maybe 450.
So 600 horsepower?
Yeah.
600 horsepower GTR. It's pretty, I'd say it's a pretty reasonable number for a GTR. Pretty standard. Well, yeah, exactly. One for that's not built. Look, we got the wing on here and everything. And the canards. Like, this ain't a drag car. Australian icon. Bro, I don't know. I cannot. That just is not a good looking car to me. I'm sorry, Australia. I'm sorry. Oh, the Fiesta's getting him.
And he had nothing.
And he's gone. Jesus. All right, here we go. Bye-bye, Felicia. Oh, my bad.
I missed the gear.
Yeah, it's alright. You still smashed it. That hole seems so small, man. Any car at all will look good with T37s.
The offset looks sick.
So we might be racing a 35 next, but have a look at this. Somebody bought a Fiesta. GT2 RS. I got Beamer, R35, and then there's 2 Lambos up there. Look like 2 Performantes. Ooh, shit. R35. What are you thinking?
Put my foot down and hope for the best.
Yeah. I mean, it's so hard to tell with them. Like, it looks stock.
And then it shoots flames out the back.
Yeah, exactly. But I'm excited. And we go 3 for nothing. Come on, RB26. Here we go. Oh, the nerves got you. You would have had him too. Fuck. We would have won that race, but he missed 3rd. So now what's happening?
It's there. Oh, look at that.
Shift practice.
We got left lane this time. We'll see if I can get a good position. Fake R32. Oh, dang.
Who am I racing?
Oh, no. Oh, we got mismatched. He's doing the Lambo, and we're racing that. Okay. I have no idea how this is gonna go. Oh, dude, that Lambo is crushing him. Next minute, our elimination round is freaking this guy. Oh man, that would suck. Alright, so it's now the Eliminator. Basically, you run, you lose, you leave. And Dave's decided it's a good idea to try his luck in the Eliminator against a 640 Performante. So we'll see how this goes. Don't miss third.
Like, when are you gonna get this chance again?
Exactly. Legally. Oh shit. That, my friends, is a Lamborghini. Here we go. Oh man, that was so close. Did you get him?
I don't know.
I think you got him.
I don't know.
I think you got him. Oh man.
I don't know.
Bro, that was so close. If you didn't go to fourth, I don't think you would have got him. Oh, that was so close. Look at his exhaust.
Yeah, glowing.
Dude, glowing red. Whoa, man, that was so good. Fuck it, keep going. Oh, you've got to go around. Oh man, I'm like so anxious just to find out who won. Who won, baby?
He won.
Nah. He crossed him off. Surely he crossed him off.
I don't know. What happened?
What did he say? Did he like, what did he say? That's what we're trying to find out.
Did he mark yours?
Nah. What did he mark? Nah. That's what we were waiting on. We was like, I don't know who won that. It was so close.
Did he mark your sticker for
He didn't do anything. He just waved us straight through.
Stop us or anything. He just looked at us and he's just gone. I think he put a number on it.
No, he didn't touch the car.
He hasn't put
Yeah, he legit just.
He put a number on my car. He put 13. 13. You might have a good race, mate.
No, that was fucking nice good.
What happened? Because I fell over in first. I think you fell over as well, eh? You hit the limiter or something?
Yeah, I hit limit, I just went straight to fourth.
Yeah, this is nuts.
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
What's penalty good you could?
This is killer.
Something on.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Boys, I'm onto that.
There we go, bro. Anyway.
Well done.
Well, there goes that. Lost to the Lambo. Not bad for a circuit car. Yeah. I'll show it to you. You can't be mad. You can't be mad. Like you've done every single race so far, and you just made it. It was a good race. It was a good race. Straight circuit car. Yeah, the 35. So it's the final eliminator now. I figure I'll stick around for this and then I'll probably leave. See if a GTR wins. There's a few people up here. Let's go to the finish line. Like Chris backed off a bit. And that's all she wrote, folks.